really see the patina.
It's got patina. Really not pitted right, you know, for the most part.
Yeah. So you remember the original owner of this car?
I remember his son.
His son.
Not the father.
Not the father. But the father was the original owner?
Yeah.
And it's got 50,000 plus original miles.
50,000, yeah.
And it's been sitting since like 83?
Yeah. All he used it for was his groceries. The old man.
Cool. 59. Alright guys, well we got it back home. Turns out it's not a 59, it's a 58. I checked the engine numbers. They don't match up, so it's possibly a rebuilt motor. It's got a 4W stamp on there. Maybe it's a rebuilt 36er. But being a 58, hey, it's a little older. I'm trying to remember, I looked it up last night. Still got the 4-tab hood on it with the patented crack. What's the body number on this? 276 body number and a 1927 VIN. I don't even remember what color it is. I looked it up. I'm sure Vintage VW sales will let me know. But wow. That's a big hawk right there. Anyway, back to the car. So yeah, I'm going down the highway and I see this right door open. Found the key. Well, they found the key. I don't even know what that is. Oh yeah, oh, service booklet. Well, there you go. I'm seeing this for the first time with you. What do we got here? Judging by the service booklet and the color of the oil, I don't think it's ever been serviced. Well, that's still a cool find. So it's a bonus for me. It actually has the key. Doesn't have any electrical demons that I know of. I guess they got it to turn over, so most of my latest cars have all been electrical nightmares. Some kind of funky electrical funkiness going on with hidden starter switches, and there you go. It's got the New England snow tires on there. True New England Survivor. That's right. Survivor. What do you think, Josh?
I think it's awesome.
You think it's awesome?
Uh-huh.
You think it's gonna run?
Yes.
Good call. So that's it really on this thing. It needs, you know, everything. But cool car, cool find, 58 Ragtop. That's ready for fall. Love my snowflakes.
Me too.
We interrupt the 58 Ragtop program to bring you this special report. Have you ever seen a bug rust like this? I've never seen the top of a car rust this bad. I just thought I'd show you this car. I don't know why, but I did have to drive 2 hours and 15 minutes one way to bring this back home. This was part of that 3-car deal in upstate New York. And of course he made me take the worst one, because, you know, he probably figures I'd just leave this one there. But look at that. Pop outs. And the good old 80s chrome louvered running board. Yeah. Somebody wants to buy this for lawn art, so I guess that's where this one's going. It's got to go somewhere. Just can't stay here. There's just too many cars in the driveway here at the house, and it's got to go. So anyway, there you go. She's a beauty. All right, guys. Well, that's it. Have some updates on this 66 SO42 pretty soon. So thanks for checking out the Rag, and have a great night. Thanks for watching. Take care.